Yeah. L pistol, nigga.
First day house shit.
Yeah. Free 9, nigga.
Free my bro.
I'm in this bitch. What up, though? Home now, state this made a nigga max out. Ain't shit sweet, a nigga will bring them straps out. Came home with a bag, don't need a handout. And I'ma scream 9 until they let my bro out. Pounds on deck, looking like a grow house. Nah, I don't want that pussy with that mouth out. Yeah, West Side, you know my jackpot. And I just grabbed the switchy for this big Glock. Yeah, come and catch some rag, Draco or the tag. I feel like Dapper Dan in these Gucci specs. Trap house jump, everything going deck. And them hitters been itching, make a fucking check. It been a long 5 years, lost a lot of G's. So when you see us 20 deep in them SUVs, Missy got snake butter teed off. So I be damn if these pussies catch me out the dogs. Folk gang, no gang, put that on, bro. Willie G, I got your C's, that's my word, bro. Drop 40 pounds, got a new glow. I had to hit OT and get some new dough. Wrapping shit up in these pornos. Decorate your block like a fucking show. West Side, nigga, I'm in my fucking glow. Always stacking up all this fucking dough.